Hello, hello. Well, that will be a bit weird because I'm recording a video for a YouTube channel with an Evmux studio. But what I want to basically share with you is how the Evmux looks like and what I use it for. Because first of all, I am not even though I'm good with tech, but I am not like a tech guru. I am not looking for, fancy equipment and fancy stuff. For me, simplicity is the most important thing. And for a long, long time, I wanted to get a platform where I can actually stream live at the same time to LinkedIn and to Facebook. Not so much to YouTube because I prefer record for YouTube, but for Facebook business page and for my LinkedIn, I wanted to be able to basically live stream at once. And because LinkedIn Live, it's not been on a blog that long, and so we can't do like a native live within LinkedIn. You need to use a third party anyway, so sort of streaming service. And I wasn't really into any other streaming services, and also the quality of them were not amazing. Especially, it's easy to invest in so many different softwares, and then you turn out you actually don't use them or you don't make the most of them. So interestingly, I am actually using Evmux free version, and I am able to go live in a pretty good quality on Facebook and on LinkedIn. Now, if you want to see how those lives looks like, you can visit my Facebook business page or my LinkedIn. In the description of this video, there are links to my other channels, so you can actually see the quality of the video from the other side. But as I said, I love simplicity. So I want to very briefly show you why I love this site. I mean, there is like a, entry place where you go in and you set up different things. I'll talk about it another time. I just want to share with you how the studio looks like. And how simple it is, because actually once I go into studio, there's nothing I need to do apart from add the platforms I want to go live on, the title and the description, and then go live. I really don't need to change anything else, because for me, as I mentioned, it's not necessarily about the graphics of everything, but it's about just going live and making the most of my time, basically. So obviously, as you can see, this is me here. That's how I will go live. Obviously, there's a few different things you can change here. I'm not going to talk about them today because I just want to share with you the simplicity, but you can obviously change some brand settings. There is obviously some settings that will be available for the premium version, but you can change like a logo. For example, if I want to get rid of the Evmux logo and put my own logo, then I need to go a tier higher. For paid tier, basically. But I can change, you see my name kind of pops out here. I can change the colors of it, the layout. I can change how the comments are going to pop up here as well. So, you can play around with different, ways. I'm not going to go into details that here in this video, but I just want to share with you how quickly you add the platforms. So I'm in a studio. I literally gone into studio, and all I need to do, obviously I've already got 2 platforms added here, but I can add up to 5 platforms on a free plan. So I could, for example, add LinkedIn. I could add my YouTube channel. I don't have Twitch, but I could, for example, add my personal profile, or I could add Facebook group. It could be my Facebook group, or other Facebook group where I'm allowed to go live. I'm not sure if I need to be admin, but so I can pick, add another destination here up to 5, and you add that platform. And then once the platform is added, you just simply add the title and the description. I usually use the same because I will add sometimes the description, sometimes no. But if I want to use the same title for all, a description, I just click apply to all, and all of the platforms will get that. I can remove destination. I can also, if I decide, no, I just want to go live in LinkedIn on this topic, then I can literally untoggle the Facebook, and I have just LinkedIn left, and I'll save, and then I can, go back and change that. And then obviously I'm not going to click go live, but there's an option to also record. I don't tend to record lives, but you can do that too, and you utilize those lives further at the moment, depending on the topic. Some I record, some I didn't. You can just click live and that's it. That is it. That is how simple it is. And if you're after simplicity, if you have multi-streaming software. I'm losing my words today because I'm a little bit tired. Multi-streaming software, go ahead and try it. Go and have ahead and give Evmux a go, because you have nothing to lose. Sign up for a free account and, see for yourself. I think that's the best what I can say. Here on the side, you will be able to see comments as well if someone comments. And for me personally, that is what I need. At the moment, I don't necessarily do guest talks. I might do in the future, then I'll explore all the other features, because you can share a screen, you can go with a guest, so there's plenty of options. But here, I just wanted to show you, I've used it for a few weeks now. I will go live. I tend to go live once a week. And for me, that is what I use it for. So if you want that, if that's what you're looking for, definitely give it a go. And if you have any questions, just pop them in the comments. And if I don't know the answer, I might ask the questions to Evmux team, and they're super helpful as well, I have to say. So if that's been helpful, let me know. Very simple. And if you want to hear more about simple ways to run your online business, service-based business, then I will have more tools to share with you. And remember, I'm all about simplicity. I like simple tools, simple systems. So if that's something what you are looking for, then definitely subscribe. And I will see you on the next video.